Today I'll be talking about micturition. So micturition is the act of urinating and is partially controlled by the spinal micturition reflex. So before I go over everything, I drew the bladder here. It's pink. The blue line surrounding it is the stretch receptors, and this is the urine. These three lines here in different colors are different signals coming from the bladder to the spinal cord, and here's a spinal cord here. The detrusor muscle is in red, right here, squiggly line. This is the urethra, just the space between right here. And then the internal urethral sphincter is right here in gray, and the external urethral sphincter is right here. So first I'll be going over involuntary micturition. So when the urinary bladder is full, about 200 milliliters or more, it excites the stretch receptors. The stretch receptors send afferent signals from here to here to the spinal cord, and then from the spinal cord, efferent signals are sent back to the bladder. These efferent signals excite the detrusor muscle and relax the internal urethral sphincter. This results in emptying the bladder. So that's the involuntary. And next one is voluntary control. So for voluntary control, it is controlled by the Micturition center in the pons. The Micturition center work with other brain centers like the amygdala and the cerebrum to get information about bladder tension. They work together to see when it is appropriate or inappropriate to urinate. So the stretch receptors send out signals to the Micturition center. The Micturition center, which is in orange, will send out signals to the detrusor muscle, the internal urethral sphincter, and the external urethral sphincter. If it's a timely matter, if it is timely to urinate, the micturition signal sends the signal that will excite the detrusor muscle and relax the internal and external sphincter. So that's for timely urinate. If it's untimely, the micturition center sends the signal to keep the external sphincter contracted and urinate is voided. So there you have it. Hopefully this is right. But thanks for listening and have a good day.